If someone else is in your Discord account right now, every second counts. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do in the exact right order to lock the hacker out and get your account back, even if you're completely locked out yourself. First, how do you know you're actually hacked? A few signs: your friends are getting spam DMs from you that you never sent. You're suddenly kicked out of Discord and your password doesn't work anymore. You get an email from Discord about a login from a device or location you don't recognize, or your email on file was changed without you doing it. If any of that sounds familiar, keep watching. Here's the one thing almost every guide gets wrong: the first thing to secure isn't Discord, it's your email. Whoever controls your email can reset your Discord password anytime they want, even after you change it. So if you skip this step, the hacker can just walk right back in. Go to your email provider right now on a device you trust and change your email password to something long and unique, not something you've used before. Then turn on two-factor authentication on the email account itself, not just Discord. This one step is what actually stops the hacker for good. Now, if you can still log into Discord, go straight to user settings and change your Discord password immediately. Use a completely different password than before. Assume the old one is compromised. Changing the password isn't enough on its own because the hacker session might still be active on their device. So go to the Devices tab in your settings and log out of every other session. There's usually an option to log out of all known devices at once. Use it. That instantly kicks the attacker off, even mid-session. Now comes the part most people forget entirely: checking what the hacker left behind. Attackers often set up a way to get back in, even after you've changed your password. Open the Authorized App section in your settings. This shows every third-party app or bot connected to your account. If you see anything you don't recognize, revoke its access immediately. Hackers sometimes connect a rogue app specifically so they can regain entry later. Next, check your account's recovery email and phone number. Attackers sometimes quietly add their own email or number here. So if you ever get locked out again, they're the ones who recover the account, not you. Make sure both fields show only your real current information. If you own any Discord servers, check those too. Look for any bots or webhooks you didn't add. A malicious webhook can let someone post as your server or pull data from it long after you've kicked them out everywhere else. Delete anything you don't recognize. Once everything looks clean, lock the account down properly. Turn on two-factor authentication using an authenticator app, not just SMS, since phone numbers can be hijacked too. When Discord gives you backup codes, save them somewhere safe, offline, not in a random text file on your desktop. Now, what if you're completely locked out and none of this works? Don't trust any DM claiming to be Discord support. That's almost always a scam, and no legitimate recovery service will ever ask for your password or your 2FA code. Instead, use Discord's official hacked account form at ds.gd/hackedaccount. Fill it out with as much detail as you can and wait for their team to respond. Most hacked Discord accounts are recoverable, especially if you act fast. Secure your email first, change your password, log out every session, clean up anything the hacker left behind, and turn on real two-factor authentication. Do that and this doesn't happen again. If this helped, subscribe to Techavro. I post tutorials like this every week.